haul. I'll be showing you guys some of the neck pieces I bought from this Instagram page called It Was Stylish, and this is the second purchase I'm doing from them, and I'm quite sure about their quality and they're so much affordable. So I thought, why not share with you guys? And instead, this is not any kind of brand collaboration or a promotional video. This is something, the first purchase from them, which was about 8 to 9 months back. I got this neck piece. This is the first neck piece I got from them. While ordering this, I initially thought that how would be the color, whether it will own out after a certain timing and all. But oh my god, I'm wearing this since really long now, as I said, 8 months now. The color is so intact and there is no changes. Do I suggest you guys to use it really carefully, because देखो पहले तो this cost really cheap, like under 300, okay? तो उतने पैसे में तुमको कितना ही मिलेगा, है ना? तो वो चीज़ ध्यान में रख के this is really good, really affordable, है ना? So I'm showing you how it looks. This one you can wear it as a choker, and this one a bit down. It's really beautiful ring. Also sometimes I prefer wearing it like this, both in a form of double chains, one after another, not in a form of choker. Okay, this is I really like. Okay, the second neck piece is a 3-layer neck piece. This is one of my favorite. This is from the second purchase. I got so much encouraged after my first purchase, because the 4 items I bought was so good that I thought, why not give it another try. Okay, this is how this neck piece looks like. It's a 3-layer. First one comes as a choker, one stone there, and then at the end the third layer is a crescent shape. That's it. But this is not that's it. This looks really beautiful. Oh my god, can you believe this cost, I think, around 180 to 190ish. What else you want? Yeah, so this is the second one. The third neck piece is again 2-layer neck piece. It's basically geometric shapes, a triangle and a circle. Circle in the first layer, and then the triangle. It doesn't give you any choker wala thing, but then it's okay. I really like how simple is this neck piece looking, but yet really elegant. Really elegant. See, wow, amazing, right? Okay, the fourth bracket. First comes with the cylindrical shape, then the second layer is basically the second layer is a infinity. Wow, this is really good. Okay, the fifth neck piece I have is my most favorite neck piece, because I can wear it almost with every dresses, every top I wish. Oh my god, this is really good. It's a globe. I ordered 3. I have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Because my friends also wanted, so they also ordered it. Really nice, really beautiful. This cost you 99. You can't believe this cost you only 99. You all should go for it. And who knows, like, this one I'm wearing is really good. The one I'm wearing, only a problem I have with this earring is that in the image of in the side their image was really good. It was looking like, not like that it's not good, it's really good, but in the image it was something looking like really bulky, and you know, it got that metallic spark in it, but in reality it is really, what to say, really lightweight, so hardly, and really lightweight, really thin than what I expected. But again, it's for 99. Nothing can be great than this, I guess. For this price, is super. Okay. Another from the second purchase is this bangle. I know everyone has saw this bangle over Instagram. So this is really good. And also I bought this in my first purchase, which was, as I mentioned, 8 to 9 months back. So I used to wear this all the time. I wash my hands wearing this, and I actually really, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, बहुत मिसयूज़ किए हैं, फिर भी the color is so intact, and I really love that fact. And to show you guys 2 more earrings from my first purchase. I was not like, sorry, forget it. This I will show you add another. I have this really traditional earpiece. That's all I have from this brand called natureshub.enquiry. I think you should give it a try, and please comment down below if you liked it and what else you want to see from my side. With that, there's comes the end, and I hope to see you really soon. I think that I will link every product in the description box below. You can check it from there.